Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about something so inexpensive, so affordable, yet so cheeky and cheesy and uh, super cool. Super cool is all. Sale going on at Cuffs and Lashes, and that is where from I got this. I would say a wonder box, True Lips. This has got 12 sets of lip liners, and they are beautiful, just beautiful. Um, I paid 175 for 12 pieces. So one comes out to be how much? Not even 15 bucks. Oh, okay. So they're losing the cap already. So these are the ones. Yeah, super cool. I just love them all. These are 12 in count. And yeah, different colors. Pretty cool, very summerish and nice. They read like this. Yeah, I'll show you the swatches also, and I'll quickly read about the packaging. This is MN True Lips Lip Liner Pencils. These are waterproof. They are multivitamin, and oh, they also have aloe vera in them. That's great. And of course, the number, the item number. Now, they provide exceptional lip makeup results, glides over very smooth, and they are in 12 in count. Just one line that will suffice. Okay. This is number 52. You have the numbers here. I hope you can see the number 052. And it is very orangish. I'll show you how it looks like on my face. They're very smooth, extremely smooth, and super creamy. I'm saying super creamy. Of course, they're super creamy also. Next up, I have this number 58. Yeah. Can you see the number? Yeah. I hope you can see the number. Yeah. How this comes out. This is number 53. Can you see the number 53? This is the nudist shade I have ever seen. I love it. This is the best one. Guys, these are super creamy and super matte also. Um, and of course, with the amount, the money that I just quoted, worth a buy and a try. I love the colors, beautiful colors. Another beautiful one. Just loved it. Okay. So guys, when you wear these, when you try to apply these, you'll have to put on a moisturizer below them or a lip balm. Yeah, they are very creamy and extremely matte. The colors are beautiful. I just love all the colors. They are super matte, super creamy, and worth a buy. So do give it a try. Do check them out, and if you really like them, let me know. Did you really like them, or do you think they're worth a buy? You could try them from Cuffs and Lashes. They're also available on Amazon.com. So, guys, that was all from my end this time, and I'll see you next time. Also, make sure you please subscribe to my channel. Hit this the red subscribe button down below. Do comment also, and yeah, that will be all. So, until next time, I'll see you soon. Until next time, you take good care of yourself. Bye bye.